The late adopter. There we go. Hi guys, doing? Welcome to Bitcoin Daily Show every single day, 9 a.m. Central European time on the dollar. We are almost on the dollar today, like 2 minutes give or take. Not many people in the chat today. Sheen Salam, because why? Because notifications are not going out. You know, I'm right now making like 10 videos a day. Well, actually it was 9 yesterday. 9 videos a day, and YouTube doesn't want to send notification for every single video. On YouTube, you can actually only send notifications for 3 videos during the 24 hours, window. So, after those 3 videos, none of the rest of the videos are not getting notifications. So, today, the Bitcoin Daily is not getting any notifications, so that's that. Bitcoin says 30K ETH incoming, says there is a repeat of 2017 happening. Tila, can I have a look when you finish with BTC? Thanks. Didn't BitBoy say like September something, 2 weeks, give or take, we will reach the top? I mean, I'm pretty sure he said that. If you go to BitBoy, he said something in the lines of it's long time ago. It's long time ago though. Where is it? Where he said something in lines that Bitcoin will reach the all-time high in September within 2 weeks. Where is it? Last week around, not this one. No. Let me see. October 7, Ethereum, no. Nicholas, no. Yeah, BitBoy is saying a lot of stuff, man. Bitcoin is saying a lot of stuff, he's shilling all kind of coins. Like I tell you, like you cannot say Ethereum is gonna go to 5K, nobody's gonna buy that. But if you say Ethereum is gonna go to 13K, now everybody's gonna buy that, right? So he's a very good shiller. He knows what kind of numbers to push out, to shill the stuff. I don't know where it is. It's a long time ago. Good morning, DJ AV Stalin. How you doing, DK? I didn't get notification. YouTube is weird. No, there are no notifications for today's video. He deleted the tweet after everyone says he's wrong. Okay, that might be it. I also think he is wrong. It was just, I don't know why he tweeted that. It was so far away from the truth, that you definitely, 2 weeks give or take. No. That said, the title of the video, Sam bullish pattern repeating. So what kind of bullish pattern am I talking about, guys? What kind of bullish pattern am I talking about? Let's just remove this a little bit up here, and it's on the small time frames. You remember down here, guys, we were talking about this triangle. Before we had all of this, we had this triangle up here, and we are looking for a breakout, right? We are looking for a breakout. And we had this triangle, and then we broke up here, right? And everybody got super bullish, but we started going down there, and we said like this might be some kind of fake out where they pushed the price on purpose back down inside the triangle, and it went inside the triangle back down to the support line second time, and then it broke out. But this part over here was actually very bullish, and I said this is showing that there is a lot of bullishness in the market right now, because they pumped it prior to the ending of the triangle. It wasn't time, so sometimes you might pump pre-pump, because you're so excited, pre-pump, somebody starts buying, everybody starts foaming and you pump, but it's like not yet, it's not yet the time. And then suddenly the time comes, when you start pumping. But this pre-pump might be indicating some kind of a bullishness in the market. And the same thing is happening right now here. You can see it up here, this pre-pump, and I think this is a premature pump that's happening. So maybe there should be something like this or something like this up here. I think it's something like this. So maybe we are already breaking it right now. You can see here that we are breaking this towards the upside. I didn't actually notice this. Is actually in the last hour, the last time I checked it was down here. So we got this bottom support down here, and upper level of resistance, and you can see this very nice triangle. Right now we are breaking this triangle, but this over here might indicate some kind of pre-pump that's bullish, because we went up to resist, but somebody started buying and was like and everybody FOMO'd in because I think we're gonna go up, and then suddenly slowly gets back in the triangle. When these kind of things happen, they can indicate a bullishness, a pre-bullishness in the market, because it showed that a lot of people are bullish to actually, you know, go towards the upside. But it wasn't time, it was too soon. It went just back into triangle, you know, the confirmed triangle on the downside, and right now it's slowly exiting the triangle. So we're gonna see if this pump over here, you know, continues going towards the upside. It's not 100% perfect. Maybe it should be something like this up here. Let me see up here. How? Yeah, it doesn't matter how you push it. I mean, if you use this one up here. Yeah, let's use this one. So it looks like it's breaking out of this this triangle up here. So target for this this move up here should be something like give or take something like 56.8, 57,000, give or take. So this is the target right now, just for this this 1 hourly pattern up here, this one hourly triangle. So if we are breaking out right now, we should go around to 56,000, and that on the daily time frame, how much percent would that be? That would indicate today that we are pumping. Right now we are 1.47% up, but at the end of the day 5.3. If we do 5.3 at the end of the day, we are, if you do 5.3 at the end of the day, I mean altcoins might, you know, just do a stupid amount of pump. So you're gonna see that stop out, false breakout, whatever you want to call it. I don't think this is stop out or false breakout. I think this is a bullish indication. I think there's a bullish indication because it's not coming at the end of the where it just turns around. You know, you got sometimes these bear traps and bull traps. So bear trap goes when, you know, it starts going down, all the bears FOMO in, and then suddenly it turns around and goes up. This is a bear trap. And the same thing goes the other way around. It goes up and it goes up, you know, and everybody goes long, and suddenly it turns around and goes down. This is a bull trap. But when these kind of things happen in the middle of the of the pattern, and then just gets back into pattern and continues the same thing, I wouldn't call this a bull or bear trap, because it wasn't working. You know, bull and bear traps comes at the end of the move, like over here, and then turns on the other way around, or down here and turns around. And these are the bull and bear traps. But this isn't a bull trap. This looks to me like a legit try to get out, you know, but it just wasn't the time to get out. So it gets back in the triangle and then it tries for the second time. So this to me looks like some kind of an indication of a bullish market here, right over here. The same thing goes over here. It wasn't quite ready. It just pumped up, you know, somebody started buying. It's indicated in bullishness because a lot of people are FOMO in over here. It indicated bullishness, but you know, one time, you know, when it gets to the certain point where it's you know, time to get out, you know, it you know, gets out and you know, continues going up. So over here, you can see here that I consider this move up here to be a bullish move that shows bullishness in the market right now. I think this shows bullishness in the market, and I think this can right now. I think right now we are actually breaking this up here, and you know, we can continue towards the upside all the way to 56.8 or something like that today. So today definitely looks like we might do some damage to the upside. Let's see here if we can pull the line. This engulfing candle, it should be something like this up here. Maybe it's breaking already, because people are looking at this, but this is engulfing candle, so you know, we can remove this part over here. You can just draw the line up here, and it looks like it's breaking, but we still have 49 minutes to see if we can. I'm gonna break the line. I'm gonna pull back below the line. It looks nice on the 1 hourly, above all the moving averages, bouncing on the moving averages, no problem whatsoever there. On the 4 hour, you can see here we went below it, up, then we were holding this 10 moving average, holding it, and broke it right back up, bouncing, and right now bouncing on the 10 moving average, went down to the 20 moving average. So this looks like it's gonna go, guys. This looks today like it's gonna go towards all the way up here to 56, 57,000. At least that's the target for this pattern up here. I'm bullish. Has the late adopter bought in yet? Soon, man, soon. We are not at 250k. Once we get to 250k, you know, I'm gonna buy. When I play Dodge Daddy, I bought. He's here for us every day. So right now I think that it's bullish. This doesn't look bearish at all. There is no bearish sentiment in here. Even this you know, symmetrical triangle goes sideways. The volume is kind of kicking down, and that's actually, that can be, you know, it shows that interest in the move, and the move is sideways. There is no interest in the move, so something will happen soon. Something will happen soon. It doesn't mean that, you know, it's not a down move when you're losing interest, and it's not an up move where you're losing interest. It's kind of sideways move that is losing interest. So something has to happen up here soon. And right now it looks like it's breaking out up here. Still like 48 minutes for the 4-hourly close, and I think 4-hourly close is gonna be interesting. But this looks nice. This looks nice. You know, this bounce back down to the, you know, 20 moving average, and then getting back right back above the 10 moving average. And right now, if you can bounce up here, if you can bounce up here above this level up here, that's gonna be nice. 55 to what was that, 1 hour? Let's see. Let's put our 1 hourly all the way down here. We are actually already broke that. We actually already broke. This is so bullish, guys. I don't know. Like everything you look at, this is what I like about bull markets. Everything you look at, it's bullish, man. Look at this level up here. It's already broken up here, right? It's already broken previous hour. Already broken there. This on 1 hour. This level up here already broken. So you already got to the higher high up here. So yeah, it's bullish. It looks nice. It looks like it's gonna go up. So we're gonna follow and see what's happening. Lambos have been ordered. That's good. Hope you're good, bro. What's the thoughts on price targets? Isn't price target from yesterday's video 34? I'm gonna make another Harmony 1 video later today, so you know, check that out. What is interesting, the BTC logarithmic curve is 56, where we got rejected. Logarithmic curve. What kind of logarithmic curve? 56. You can live stream. You can record and upload clips as shorts. Cover all the coins in one bang. Yeah, I don't like the, you know, clip the videos. I don't like to edit the videos. So all the videos you see on YouTube, all the videos you do, it's one take videos. You know, I sit down, I press record, I say my stuff, I press you know, finish, and I upload, because it just takes so long time to edit the video. Because first of all, if you are recording video, you know, you have to start recording, then you have to import it into some kind of editing program, then you have to edit it, then you have to, you know, wait for the rendering, then you have to upload it. You know, it just takes a long time, you know. And when you are making like 10 videos a day, you know, the editing can take a while. Maybe it's a fast way to do it, you know, just like make one video with all the coins and just clip it and just edit all together. But you know, even the rendering takes, you know, you gotta have the pretty decent PC to, you know, render fast. Any chance you can look at Chainlink if you have time? It's not gonna happen today. Chainlink is not doing anything much. It is in the triangle, so watch the triangle. See the triangle, the big triangle. Watch the triangle. There's actually no triangle up here. This one only. There we go. It's not a triangle. It's this trend line. This trend line. Watch this trend line. That's the only thing you gotta know about Chainlink. What's the trend line? You see tip, 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 tip. You know. Watch the trend line. Once this trend line it gets broke, but maybe it's a different kind of trend line. Maybe it goes something like this up here. Let me just see a little bit up here on Chainlink. Maybe the trend line. This trend line goes something like, I don't think, maybe something like this. It's here. No, it is this trend line. Give or take, right? Give or take. So watch this trend line. You know, when it breaks the trend line, something is gonna happen. That's all you have to know about. My man is professional. One take shot. Yeah, one take shots. Every single video is one take shot. Have you seen what happened to Solar coin? Solar coin. It's a Q coin. It's not. It's 1 day old coin. Of course, this happens. Wait like 2 years and tell me, you know, if this is gonna persist, you know. What do you think about Shiba today? Shiba videos coming out in a while. After the live stream, I'm gonna make like 10 videos, you know. If you wanna get notifications for all the videos, there's a, you know, public Telegram channel you can join and get notifications for the videos. So that's that. Yeah, but yeah, I see this as a bullish move, guys. I see this as a bullish move. So we're gonna see how this actually plays out. Oh, maybe not yet. Maybe that's why it's not real. You can see here on this chart up here, I drew it like this, right? I use this and it looks like it's breaking out, but on this chart up here I drew it a little differently, and this might be the case. This might be the case, you know, this might be it, guys. So, you know, we are not right out of the triangle just yet, guys. We are not out of the triangle just yet. I mean, we try to get out here, and you can see here, yeah, that's why I drew it a little bit differently. So this doesn't look as bullish as this triangle over here. These two triangles are not the same. And you can see here how we are kind of hitting it here, kind of hitting it here. It does look like it is breaking here, and you know, there is definitely, you know, the line that might go here, but you know, the move up here, let's see the volume. It's not actually being confirmed by the volume. You can see how, you know, breakout actually gets confirmed with the volume. So up here, you know, somewhere the volume did kick in, right? But over here it did not kick in, you know, and I think that's because this triangle up here is more legit. I think this triangle up here is more legit. You can see how it goes all the way below it, how it hits with the wick up here, these wicks also, this wick also. So I think this line up here is more legit. So unfortunately a little bit more less bullish than like 10 minutes ago, but you know, still pretty close there, So we're gonna see where we end right now, above all the moving averages, you know, and we're gonna see when we end out. So I retrace my statement about the 57,000. Was that 57,000? This one up here, 56, that's 57,000. So we're gonna see how this actually plays out, but I think the target should be the same. That it should be same. Where's the chart? Because it's all the way up here. The target should still be the same. If I'm not mistaken, the target should be still the same, give or take. Depends on when it breaks out, right? That's around, yeah, it's around 57k. It's around, like, if it breaks out of the triangle, it's around 57k. It's around 57k. So it looked a little bit more bullish when you draw the line something like this up here. It looks more bullish because you are breaking it, right? But I think this line is not as correct as this up here. You know, there are a lot of lines, but you know, I think it's waiting for this one because because on this line down here, it just not, you know, the volume is not kicking in. You know, you have a breakout, but the volume is not kicking in. People are not FOMOing in, you know, traders are not doing it. Check 4 hour, more important. Yeah, 4 hour is more important, but the problem with 4 hour, looking at the 4 hourly, is that you don't have enough candles, you know, for to get a nice view over the pattern. So you can see the pattern a lot more nicer on the 1 hourly. So let's see, there was no divergence up here. I know because I checked yesterday. Let's see what's happening right now. You can see here that the price up here is going down, and the RSI is going up. There is no divergence on here, and there is no divergence up here as well, but there is hidden bullish divergence between here. There is hidden bullish divergence, so we are going up. So actually this looks more bullish than bearish, and this hidden bullish divergence is right now popped us above the moving area. So I'm looking, you know, to climb up here, you know, to get something like this, and then, you know, do another move towards the upside. So it does look bullish on the RSI. MACD, this is 4 hour, let's see daily MACD, you know, goes towards the upside, you know, right now losing a little bit momentum, so we need to pick up that. Let's see weekly also, you know, going towards the upside. No overbought levels or anything like that. 67, 63. So it looks super nice. I don't know, I'm bullish. It looks nice, it looks good, no problem. But it is big Bitcoin season, and it's gonna take a little while, you know, before we actually get to the altcoin season. But you know, we take Bitcoin season where we can. Coaching my son's soccer match, still come by to say hi, and good fortune on the TFM. Beauty, nice. You also coach, I also coach you my, you know, kids soccer team. You know, I'm just helping with the coaching, you know, but you know, I'm doing my part. Maybe we should, you know, get our kids together and, you know, help them, you know, coach them together. Hi guys, what's up, Tila? Not much. Looking bullish, guys. Looking bullish. Beauty. The other drawing looking more like a ascending triangle. Yeah, the other one looks more like a ascending triangle. So it is a little skewed. I think it is a little towards downside. The problem with this, I mean, there is no problem. You can see here, touch. So you got 3 touches on the line. So it is a legit line. It is good line, and these two are engulfing candles, so you can remove those. And so yeah, I think this is correct line. I think, you know, when I look at it right now, I think that's correct line. And I think, you know, you can see here we are pumping right now towards this trend line, but you know, the volume said no breakout. The volume said no breakout. So I think if we break this up here, I think that's when breakout is going to come. You know, and the target is still around 57,000 up here. 57,000 up here. If you break to the upside, the target is still around 57,000. What about Shiba? Shiba video will come out later today. I will be making Cardano video, DYDX video, XRP video, Shiba video, Phantom video, Harmony one, Matic and Solana video today. So be sure to check all the videos. If you don't have notifications on, you know, put up notifications on, you know, subscribe to the channel and stuff like that. Let me see how this poll went. Did you get notifications today? Yeah, so 40% got notifications today. That's amazing. Video was on my homepage, 45% video was in my subscription page, 16%. So there are some notifications going on then. Nah, it's all good. DXDY is going towards the upside. I mean, on the 1 hour looks a little bit shaky, on the daily looks a little bit down. But we are always looking at DYDX on dollar index currency on the weekly time frame, because it's just so slow moving. This inverse head and shoulder is playing out, is pushing, is still out, still the green candles all the way on the weekly time frame, and we are still, you know, assuming this is gonna go to 97. We are still assuming this is gonna go to 97. We got one rule on the channel, like one rule, you know, we let people talk and do whatever, you know, but we got one rule, and that's like, don't spam. Like, don't spam. That's just one single rule on the, like, you guys can, you know, just do that one thing, like, just don't spam, like, because a lot of people want to say a lot of stuff, you know, so if people start spamming, it's not nice, you know. So one single rule, like, talk about it, whatever you want to talk about, say whatever you want to, you know. I'm pretty chill about that, you know. You can even hate on me, I really don't mind. But, you know, spamming, that's like, I don't know, what do you call, like, peewee, it's not peewee, like my peewee, you know, my little thing, like, don't spam. Hello, my man. Hello, casual bass guy. Casual bass guy. Now that's a nice name, though. So yeah, I'm thinking this is gonna go all the way up. I mean, I've been saying this for ages, so this is still going up. So I don't know if this inversely correlated Bitcoin or what's gonna happen. It's kind of Dow Jones index closed below 20 moving average here, which is actually a bad thing. I was actually thinking this is gonna drop down. It did drop down, but right back up again. But the fact that we are not getting, you know, we are not getting back above this 20 moving average, you know, I don't know what's gonna happen next week. I don't know what's gonna happen next week. So we might have another dump next week here on the Dow Jones index, because right now the Dow Jones closed again below the 20 moving average. So Dow Jones and the DXY is not. That's to TL, I understand trading a bit better, and I'm still getting better. You're the best I've seen on YouTube so far. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Keep on learning. But hugging it. Yeah, it is hugging it. It is hugging, definitely. That's a good point. It is going down, but it is trying to get up, and it is hugging it. But, you know, eventually you cannot hug it forever, you know. You cannot go down and hug it forever. As long as hugging it, it is a little bit, you know, it shows bullishness, it shows as people, but, you know, eventually you have to break to the upside. If you know, and it does show bullishness, but technically we are bearish, but it shows bullishness, right? It shows bullishness, it is hugging it, but eventually you have to get above it. If you fail that, you know, and go, you know, go further down, that means, you know, you've definitely failed to break it. Maybe we can look at this on the bigger time frame, maybe 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. 2 weeks opened below, and right now closed below 10 moving average. Let's see monthly. Yeah, it's still, I mean, it's still there, So yeah, it's hugging it, but, you know, we will see how long it's gonna hug it, you know. I like, you know, we said before, when you got some kind of moving average, right, and you have the price falling moving average, goes on to retest and doesn't just do this down here, it might be a little bit bullish if it starts hugging, because it just might, you know, climb back above the line and continue going upwards. So this, you know, move below the moving averages doesn't have to mean, you know, total failure. And the fact that it is like Edward said, like hugging the moving average from the bottom side, it can indicate a little bullishness that, you know, people want the price to get back up above the line. So up here, you know, getting, you know, just below the line and hugging it might indicate, you know, some kind of bullishness that people, you know, people still want to buy and push it towards the upside. But we should technically look at it as a bearish sign, but with a bullish, I don't know, bullish something, right? I think they deferred the depth ceiling to December, add weight to the dump in December. No, yeah, that's exactly right, Sheen. That's exactly right. So our projection between the 20th November, 20th December, you know, something big is gonna happen. Exactly on the 4th of December, you know, we are looking at the dump date, right? So you know, now the depth ceiling was also pushed up to December. So thing is shaping up in December. Hey Tila, check first when you can. Bullish coin, veracity and Qcoin. I think Qcoin is the new yeah, it's bullish. I think you can see here that we are watching it a long time ago. This is long time ago. Let's see on the daily time frame. Yeah, it's a long time ago. So we are watching it down here and we're looking for a, you know, move to downside, upside, but this actually went longer up here. It was a long move. So it wasn't actually the one that I was thinking. Let's remove everything up here. Yeah, it does look bullish. This is on the weekly time frame, breaking this top up here. But it's on Qcoin, like who cares? Qcoin, by the way, guys, Qcoin is the new Cryptopia. If you don't know what Cryptopia is, you know, it's where, you know, the place where all the shitcoins, you know, first get launched, you know, get, you know, traded, you know, and then, you know, the big thing is when coins from Cryptopia goes over to, you know, Binance, then you kind of make it. And now it feels like, you know, the Qcoin is the new Cryptopia where all the shitcoins start and then they, you know, get pumped and dumped there. You know, eventually, you know, the big thing is when a coin from Qcoin goes over to Binance, then you hit the big boys, big league, with a bullish note. Nia looks good. CK thinks over 250 by January. Yeah, I mean, we don't have any price targets for anything. We just look, you know, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Yeah, this looks nice though. This looks nice. I got this Bitcoin pattern. Where is it? 1 hour. How many minutes do we have left? Oh, that's still like 30 minutes left. So we're not gonna do this very much longer. We can just say what I think up here. You see all these pink lines or purple lines or whatever kind of lines these are, and this yellow line up here. All of these lines are indicating right now certain resistances to the upside. So this part up here, it's a big resistance area for us. That's everything between 55.7 and 60,000. That's a big resistance line, and eventually you have to get above this to, you know, become bullish. But if you start breaking out of this first triangle up here, it gets into this first 57,000 line, can manage to do something up here and then, you know, eventually climb above 60,000. That's gonna be super bullish. And I think as soon as we are above 60k or something like that, you know, the real bullishness, the real FOMO will start kicking onto people. The real FOMO will start to kick on the field. We can see, look at this on the daily time frame. You can see here up all these lines, all this mess we are in right now. This line is actually kind of, yeah, that's this one up here. So this line right now, we are sitting at this just below the resistance. I would say just below, maybe even the resistance up here. If you just pull down here, you know, we can discuss, you know, how this should be drawn, but you know, around 57,000, everything between right now where we are all the way up to 60,000, it's a huge mud of resistance. So right now it is very natural to go and, you know, do some, you know, sideways motion here before we start climbing it again, because these moving averages down here have to come back to us, you know, and you know, we gotta give them time to come back to us as well. On the 1 hourly time frame, you'll see here that we have this triangle forming, this triangle, and I think this is more legit triangle than the first one we drew in the start of the stream. because I think, you know, you're gonna see once it starts pumping up, you're gonna see with the volume that it actually pumps. So what I want to see when it starts pumping, I see these volumes up here, see how the volume is you know, technically going down. So what I want to see on the volume, I want to see the volume pump, and I want to see it pump above the previous volume up here. So I want to see, you know, pump in the volume as well when it breaks out. If it does that with a breakout, you know, and that might be indicate a decent breakout, and might, you know, we might see 57,000 pretty soon. Cabeça Mwanza. Sorry man, it's hard name to pronounce. That's welcome to TFN's Club. Enjoy the green name, enjoy the emojis. By the way, since you are new here, you gotta pick the coin. So pick any coin and I'll check it out. That's, you know, the welcoming gift to anybody joining the TFN's Club. You know, so you got still some time, you know, to pick coin, because right now I'm looking to, you know, end the stream and do some videos. FTM going too slow. Hello Tira, what is up? Hello Bachelor Sensei. No notifications today, man. Hey, yeah, stuff happens. Okay, so Cabeza is not saying much. By the way, Cabeza, whenever you're ready, you know, just pop the name of the coin you want me to check out. You don't have to do it today, you can do it next time, you know, I'll check it out. But that's the thing you get. What's up, no notifications? Yeah, because I did like 9 videos yesterday, and notifications goes only out for 3 videos. So, you know, if I do a lot of videos, you know, sometimes, you know, this Bitcoin Daily comes at a wrong point, you know, and it doesn't get notifications. Because you cannot just, you know, push out like 20 videos and get send out notifications for every video, because YouTube thinks that's spamming. So you can only send out notifications for 3 videos per 24 hours. So that's why you need to have, you know, notifications all, bell button on, I think, and then you maybe get notifications if there are notifications. I think that's the thing. Lol, read Mwanza. Lol, I'm getting. Lol, read it. Mwanza. I'm getting ADA and staking while learning to future trade. That's good, man. That's good, man. The more you learn, the better you get. Cardano is right now breaking out. I think it's breaking out. It's going for the Cardano is going for the retest before it blasts off. I think it's already broken out. Tila, if you have money, think about building a mining rig to earn money. Nah, it's just too much time. It's just too much time. I'm not really into mining. I'm really not into mining. You know, it's not my thing. You know, it's not my thing. I think you have special you know, special thing. So there are several ways you can draw this trend line up here. There are several ways you can draw the trend line, but it doesn't matter how you draw the trend line. You are always breaking out of the trend. So you can see here the trend is being broken on ADA right now. The trend is being broken, and the problem I have with this breakout, it's not like, you know, that kind of breakout, but maybe some kind of breakout and then pullback. Let's see if there is other way to draw the line. Maybe something like this. It does look like it wants to go, you know, it's broke up. It wants to go, you know, for some kind of retest. It's already maybe at some kind of retest, and because it does look legit. It does look legit. Like I have no other way to draw this. and this looks legit to me. So right now we're getting in this retest, we're in blast off. Which other coin did get this, you know, this retest? I think down here, retest and blast off. But Cardano right now, it's looking good. And I don't know, I think you know, there might also be this, you know, bottom, and maybe it's this one, because we are right now, you know, the trend is broken, but the blast off is not happening. So I'm thinking right now, maybe there is some kind of a pattern following here. Maybe we are going inside some kind of triangle up right now, because these bottoms down here, this top up here is actually being broken, so it's not actually that good. Maybe something like here, maybe down here. That shouldn't be it. This too weak. Maybe down here. This is actually broken, but it cannot be that, so it gotta be this. And then it must be somewhere up here, maybe. I would like to use this one, but you know, this one is down there. This one is not. Maybe something like this. Give or take, give or take. So anyway, there is something definitely going on over here in the last part, and the fact that it's not, you know, even though it's breaking the trend, it's not, you know, pumping with the volume up here. Although there was a little bit of volume, but it's just not enough of volume. I think maybe this is more correct lines right now to watch for. So yeah, we're gonna watch for these lines and see how it breaks out. Let's look at the moving averages up here. Yeah, it is above 10 and 20 moving. You can see here went down to support 2 times, right? Support, climbed above these moving averages. Right now it's doing this move up here, which is very, very nice. So I think pretty soon it has to break out. It has to break out. So Cardano looks pretty nice, pretty decent. And that's that, man. Well, you read it way better this time. Thanks, man. I do try. Yes, I definitely made a video on MTV. We'll see if I, you know, MTV is not that popular, you know. I cannot just make about random coins. It doesn't work there. The altcoins that have been pumping is kind of strange. Haven't really seen a big boy alts do anything crazy. They're gonna come. That's because the money is in BTC. Yeah, right now I think right now it's Bitcoin season. So right now you are still not in altcoin season. SafeMoon is up 11% from October 4. Is it going to do what Shiba Inu did soon? Guys, October 4. I don't know when where is it? No, this is Hero. This is Shiba Inu. Yeah, October 24, October 4th. Nah, it is just a little bit up. I mean, it's too soon to say. Like, this is October 4th, you know, it's up. I know it's a little bit up, but you know, it's not much. It's not much. Yeah, but I am also thinking, like, just in case it does that, you know. Shiba Inu, like, it looks like some kind of bottom now, but you know, this can always go down like 90%, guys. This can always go down 90% again. So this is hugely risky. This is a Ponzi coin, you know, hugely risky. You can lose all the money. Like, it's really scary, but you know, are you all in? You got 33.4k subs now. Yeah, that's what you're talking about. Like, I've been stuck at 33.3 for ages, right? And as soon as you start making YouTube videos, you know, it's starting getting subs in, you know. So, you know, the live streams are not, you know, creating subs, but, you know, the YouTube videos are definitely creating subs. Rising channel, daily tops 406, 15.6, 709. Too many lines, too many numbers, man. Cannot do it all, Thank God I'm early. So we're gonna see on SafeMoon, and just as a, you know, disclaimer, talk about a Hex if you will. No, I'm not. Yeah, Hex is also looking good, guys. Hex is also looking good. Not where I actually wanted to be, but it's actually. And just guys, I threw some money at SafeMoon. I'm not shilling SafeMoon. I'm just saying I threw some money, and the reason I threw some money on SafeMoon is, like Sensei said. And it's a throwaway money, so if it goes to zero, I literally will sleep like a baby at night and won't worry about anything. Okay, it's literally throwaway money. But the reason I threw away money on SafeMoon right now, just in case it does the same thing Shiba Inu does, because if it does that, then I can go, you know, and say, guys, I bought SafeMoon at the bottom again, because last time I bought SafeMoon was down here. Was down here, and then I sold here or here. I don't remember where I sold. You know, I bought here and sold here. You know, it was pretty low. It was pretty low, right? So I can say that I bought second time at the bottom again. You know, so the only reason I buy is just, you know, to have bragging rights. But beside the bragging rights, you know, I'm not putting any kind of money in SafeMoon. I'm not putting it. It's for fun. It's mostly for fun. You know. You know, and the other thing, I'm gonna also tell you the other thing. You know, Hex, the Ponzi, everybody calls it Ponzi coins, whatnot. Real doesn't matter. Real doesn't matter. The only thing I'm looking right now, because it went down to the 50 moving average, got support there. That's nice, because every other time it pumped up, you know, it pumped on the 50 moving average down here, right? So 50 moving average down, hitting 50 moving average right now, pumping is really nice. So what I'm looking on Hex right now is this trend line up here. Trend line, and I'm looking right now to get above this moving average up here. As soon as above moving average, this looks like it's gonna make the move for the neckline and breakouts. So that's the other tip for you guys. Hex looks nice. I know, you know, talking about Hex, Ponzi, or whatever, I don't care, man. It's going up. The price is going up. That's nice. And the third thing, what's the third thing, man? What's the third thing? The third thing I want to say about, yeah, the Dodge Daddy. Keep on watching the Dodge Daddy. You know, I'm saying this to everybody. I don't know why, but you know, every time it does one of these triangles, guys, and breaks out, it does, you know, significant moves. So keep on watching this triangle on Dodge, because every time it pumps out of these triangles, it can be a very volatile move. So I don't know if this finished or not, but the thing about Dodge, the Dogecoin, you know, it has Elon Musk. Okay, the Dogecoin has Elon Musk, and if it pumps, he will tweet, and if he tweets, you know, everybody, every 14-year-old kid will start FOMOing into it, you know. That's the thing, because nobody, we that know tech analysis, we are watching it. We know when the breakout comes. We know when it starts going up. We know when it's bullish. We know when it passes certain levels. And then, you know, of course, some other tech analysis will tell Elon Musk. Elon Musk will tweet about it. And then, you know, everybody else will FOMO in, and the price will just go up, you know. So Dogecoin, keep on watching Dogecoin. Hex just keeps on going up. SafeMoon, you know, just in case it does Shiba Inu thing. There is a rumor that Shiba are going to burn a huge amount to compete with Doji. Yeah, I mean, there is a lot of rumors about Shiba, and that's what pushing it around. You know, I heard there is a listing on the Robinhood for Shiba. There is I think this rumor. I think there was another rumor as well with Shiba that, you know, might, you know, pumped up. But rumors are good. Rumors are pumping the price. You know, news, you know, doesn't pump the price. Once it gets out to the mainstream, that doesn't pump the price. Rumors pump the price, guys. AMC Theater announced that they'll take Doge for payment. They did? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Come for greed, stay for the revolution. That's great saying, man. Came for the greed, stayed for the revolution. Shiba $1. China will accept Shiba. If that happens, like, everything is bad, but we're gonna take Shiba Inu. Why? Because it's a cute dog. It's a cute dog. You're gonna do that. Good strategy, in my opinion. Just put a bit gain and insane if spike. If it go lower, just chill, nothing to lose. Yeah, nothing to lose. Like, that's why I say, like, throw away money. But the thing about throw away money, you literally have to throw it away. You literally have to throw it away. Anyways, that's it for today. I gotta go do stuff, man. I gotta go, like, make another 10 videos, you know. I don't have time to, you know, be live streaming all day long. I hope you got that, about 1 hourly, you know. There's 15 minutes left. It's getting up to this resistance up here. It went up the second time. It does look like it wants to go. It does look like it wants to go. It's close. Maybe it can take a little bit more while. I don't know how long this is gonna take, you know, but if we break the upper trend line up here, the 57 is the target, guys. The 15 is the target. Thanks for stopping by. I'm gonna go do my stuff, you know, and see how that goes. Do check out the videos on YouTube later today. Bye bye, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Where's the stop?